This is Sophia. He's Eric. Eric needs some changes to his kitchen. And Sophia needs a living room that lets her work without giving up feeling like she's at home. IKEA now offers a new online shopping service. You can browse our website and add all the products that you need to your shopping list. Select your IKEA store and check if the products are in stock. If they're displayed in green, it means they're available. Choose how you want to receive your purchase, either picking it up yourself by selecting Click and Collect or receiving it at home by selecting Home Delivery. Select the delivery date you prefer and calmly shop from anywhere. We'll take care of gathering and preparing the products. We'll manage your order, and when it's ready, we'll let you know. Remember that you'll receive it according to the selection you made when shopping, either picking it up at the store you chose, or at a pickup point, or receiving it at your home. Enter IKEA.com and enjoy IKEA's new online shopping service.